Hey guys, I'm audible. Hello. Katika, Monica, I'm audible. Guys, I'm audible. I'm asking Kritika, Monica, Aman.
Audible, Dinesh.
Okay, fine. Okay. So quick recap. So what you have done yesterday, did you remember?
Yes, Dinesh.
Can we revise once?
Yeah.
So to understand this one, let me create one new instance better. So I will click on launch instance. This is my Ubuntu and Ubuntu, right? My today date is saying 6 June 2020. This is my name. And along with that AMI I have to select. Let me click on browse more AMI to check the Ubuntu. I think I have given the wrong name. Ubuntu. Okay. So I will select the particular AMI. Then you will come below. You will choose the T2 medium. I can go with a medium. The key pair, if I already have, I already have. Let me go with the same key pair and click on launch instance. That's it. So you will be, now I need to connect this particular EC2 Ubuntu server, virtual server. So I have to connect the server. So it is in pending state. Let's wait for some time. So it's running now. Let me click on connect and I can go with the SSH client. Let me copy this and I will open my terminal. And simply we can write cd downloads / let me paste this one and it will ask me yes or no. I have to give yes. Yes, it is connected now. I am going to check my Docker is available now. Let me check. Docker is not available, but before that I need to go as a root user. And if I check Docker space -- version, Docker is not available. So how to install the Docker, guys? Did you remember? In Ubuntu server, how to install the Docker?
Yeah, Dinesh.
So we have to use the apt package. Apt. First you can write the update. You can update the package on your Ubuntu server with the help of apt. So we'll wait. Once it is done, now time to install your Docker. Install docker.io space -y. You can give it. Thereby Docker will be installed in your machine. Docker will be installed in your machine. 24%, 97. It's completed. So clear this. And if you check Docker space -- version, Docker is available, 20th version. I have. Now, suppose I will go to my dockerhub.com, hub.docker.com, and suppose I want to pull some image. Say I'm pulling some low weight image. So what is the image? Maybe a 7 MB or 8 MB. The simple image I want. So we have one image called Alpine. Is image available? So I want this Alpine image. I need to get it from the remote to local. So for that, I'm copying this one and I will write a Docker pull Alpine image. I want to get it. So when you press enter, so it will get the latest version from the remote to local, right? So if you type Docker image space ls, I got the Alpine image. So that I pulled from the your remote up to the local, which is very low, right? 7.33 MB file. I got it. So if I type Docker PS command, Docker PS command, there is no container it. But if you want a container on top of this image, guys, do you know how to create the container? How to create the container?
Docker run.
Docker, exactly. Docker container run. If you want to get the interactive terminal, we have to use space -it. I need to give some name for my container. Say I'm giving the container name is say web is the container name, and I have to give the which image I'm going to create the container, right? Which image I'm going to create the container? The image name is Alpine. Alpine is the image name, but I need to do the port forwarding also. Say space -p 80 port number of your Ubuntu machine. I'm going to map it to 80 port number of your Alpine image, right? So now, if you press enter, it will create one container ID. If we check Docker PS command, it will tell you we have created the container, web container we have created for the image called Alpine. Is that okay, guys, so far?
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, did you watch the recording actually? I posted in the YouTube. Did you see that one? No? Okay.
Half it was done.
Okay, fine. Now are you clear so far? How to create the image, how to create the container?
Yes, Dinesh.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Guys, yesterday I said you right. So how to create one custom image. How we have created, guys, custom image? How to create the custom image?
Docker commit.
Exactly. So we have done the Docker commit. Docker commit is the one way to create some custom image. The one way to create the custom image. But there is another way. Using that also you can be able to create the custom image. That way is using the Docker file. When I say Docker file, we can write the script. We can create the script. We can write the script. Using the script also, we can be able to create the custom image. Docker script. The one way you can use the Docker commit command, thereby we can be able to create a custom image. And you can share it to other developer or other tester or your stakeholder by using some GitHub or Docker Hub, where also you can share it. But today, I'm going to tell you how to create a Docker image using Docker file. Using Docker file. When I say Docker file, we are going to write some script. Guys, why we need to go for Docker file? We know, right? Docker commit is the way to create the custom image. But what is the need of Docker file? But before that, let me get one more image. Docker pull. Create a Ubuntu image. Say yesterday I have downloaded the Ubuntu image. Same Ubuntu image I'm going to download. And this is my Ubuntu image. Right? So now if you guys are audible. First.